Hello, I am Dr. Anagha Kusum, a visual artist and visual anthropologist based in India. Through my art and research, I try to explore the coexistence or the correlation between humans, ecology, and anthropology. Growing Museum, which is my flagship project, which is a community art project, transforms this research into shared spaces of art and connection. Growing Museum is not a museum in the traditional sense. It is a living installation of shared memories where art, anthropology, ecology, and community grow together. Much like the grasslands it represents. Situated in Deulgaon Gada's semi-arid grassland, this community art project began as an exploration of coexistence between people and their environment, between children and the land that they grow in, between art and the quiet intelligence of grasses. As a visual artist and visual anthropologist, my work begins with listening to stories, to silences, and to the subtle voices of the land itself. Growing Museum extends that listening into a collective process where community voices, especially children's, shape how we see and understand the grassland around us. Five fellow artists joined in, working with local children to observe and draw grasses, roots, and tiny life forms. Their sketches became an archive of how they see coexistence, where every blade of grass held a story of resilience and belonging. I later layered and reinterpreted their works, weaving them into one collective landscape inside the dome. It became a metaphorical grassland, a space filled with traces of participation, herbarium collages made from local grasses, coloring pages where one lingers on the blades, doodles on research papers, curtains dyed in gentle grass shades that filter the light, and bells imprinted with the memory of grasses. Each surface carrying the touch of the land and the community. Growing Museum breaks the boundaries of what a museum can be. It is not confined by walls, it grows like grass through connection and care. Because we all are museums ourselves, each carrying memories, layers, and quiet growth within. Even a tiny village holds the vastness of a grassland, its stories, its roots, its quiet strength. Growing Museum reminds us that to grow is to listen, to nurture, and to coexist. We all have a museum within, alive, growing, and becoming part of the living landscape.